Imagine if you had a virtual assistant that could write for you, design stunning graphics, edit videos, or even organize your life, all in seconds. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore. AI tools are here, and today, I'm showing you the top 5 AI tools for beginners that will boost your productivity instantly. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. These tools are simple, powerful, and most importantly, free or affordable. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or just curious about AI, these tools will help you save time, work smarter, and create effortlessly. Struggling with emails, essays, or brainstorming ideas? ChatGPT is your AI-powered writing buddy. Just type a simple prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a well-structured, engaging draft in seconds. From blog posts and scripts to emails and creative stories, it does it all. This tool is a game changer for students, writers, and businesses. And the best part? It's free. Want to create eye-catching designs without Photoshop skills? Meet Canva's AI magic tools. Whether you're designing a logo, social media post, or YouTube thumbnail, Canva's AI tools make it effortless. If you're a content creator, this tool is a must-have. Editing videos takes time, but what if AI could do it for you? With Runway ML, you can remove backgrounds, add effects, and even create videos from text prompts. If you're a beginner YouTuber or filmmaker, this AI-powered editor will save you hours. Feeling overwhelmed? Notion AI can organize your entire life. From summarizing reports to planning projects, Notion AI is like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. Perfect for students, professionals, and productivity lovers. Want to create stunning artwork without knowing how to draw? Let AI do the magic. Midjourney is perfect for artists, designers, and dreamers. There you have it, 5 amazing AI tools that make life easier. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to unlock even more AI secrets, watch The Best AI Hacks for Productivity right here.